Here we've got Realme C15, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, find and select digital well-being and parental controls, and click on show your data. And here you've got the data right in front of you in this graph, but if you click on it one more time, you will be able to check the detailed statistics for each day right here, so you can move between days, and then all info is right in front of you. Also right here you've got info regarding particular apps, so for example, settings been in use for 20 minutes today. And this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.